Hello students, how are you? I hope all of you are fine. Students, in the last class I explained you what is speed. What is the relation between speed, distance and time using these three formulas. How can we convert the speed given in kilometer per hour into meter per second and meter per second given in meter per second into kilometer per hour? What is uniform speed and what is variable speed? Average speed and relative speed left to explain, but today I will start exercise 7D because its starting question are related to the how can we convert the speed from kilometer per hour to meter per second or meter per second to kilometer hour, which I have already explained you. So today I will start exercise 7D. I will explain this average speed and relative speed when we will do questions related to this. Okay, let us start. First question of exercise 7D. Convert the following. Its A part is 10.8 km per hour into meter per second. We have to convert this speed 10.8 km per hour, which is given in kilometer per hour, into meter per second. C. To convert speed given in kilometer per hour into meter per second, we multiply it by 5/18. So first we will write 1 km per hour is equal 5/18 meter per second. Then this 10.8 km per hour is equal 10.8 multiply this 5/18. 6 3 ja 18. 6 1 ja 6, 4 remainder here, then decimal 4 and 8 here, 6 4 8 ja 48. Now this 1.8 into 5 upon this 3, remove decimal from here, add 0 here, then 3 6 ja 18, 3 10 ja 30, 6 5 ja 30 upon 10, 0 0 cancel, it is 3 meter per second. Only you have to learn that when we convert speed given in kilometer per hour into meter per second, then we have to multiply by 5/18, and when we have to convert speed given in meter per second into kilometer per hour, then we have to multiply by 18/5. Only these two lines you have to learn, then you can do easily. Now B part. In B part it is given 9 km 180 meter per hour. This is the distance into meter per second. It means we can travel 9 km 180 meter into 1 hour. Per hour means 1 hour. So first we will convert this 180 meter into kilometer. 9 km 180 meter is equal this 9 km plus we will convert this 180 meter into kilometer by dividing 1000, because 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meter. You can write here 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meter. So we will divide this 180 by 1000. It will convert into kilometer. 0 0 cancel. Then 9 kilometer plus. Now it is 18/100. In denominator there are 2 0. So before 2 digit there will be decimal. It will be 0.18 kilometer. Now add this 9 and 0.18. We will add like this 9.00 and 0.18. We will add like this. Some students do how 0.18 plus 9. This is wrong totally, beta. We will add like this. Then it will be 9.18 kilometer. Now 1 kilometer per hour is equal 5.18 meter per second. 9.18 kilometer per hour. This is 9.18 kilometer per hour. So it is the speed. Then 9.18 into 5/18. 6 3 ja 18, 6 1 ja 6, 3 remainder here. Then decimal 3 from here and 1, 31. 6 5 ja 30, 1 remainder 18, 6 3 ja 18. Now 1.53 into 5 upon this 3. 3 1 ja 3, then this is 1. Put we will write 0, then this decimal. Now it is 15. 3 5 ja 15, 3 1 ja 3. 0.51 multiplied by 5. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. Before 2 digit there is decimal. So speed is 2.55 meter per second. Now C part. 2.4 kilometer per 2 minute into meter per second. C 2.4 kilometer per 2 minute. We will divide both by 2. 2.4 upon 2 kilometer per 2 upon 2 minute. Now it will be 2 1 ja 2, 2 1 ja 2, 2 2 ja 4, means 1.2 kilometer per 1 minute. 1 minute means per minute. Now this is 1.2 kilometer per minute. Now we will change this kilometer into meter. Again 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meter. I told you here. So we will multiply this kilometer by 1000. 1.2 multiply 1000 meter per minute means 1 minute. 1 minute is equal 60 second. So now we will write in place of this 1 minute 60 second. 1.2 multiply 1000. 1.2 multiply 1000 upon this 60. Remove decimal from here, then add 1 0. 0 0 cancel, 0 0 cancel. 6 1 ja 6, 6 2 ja 12. 2 10 ja 20 meter per second. D part. 25 meter per second into kilometer per hour. To convert meter per second into kilometer per hour, we multiply it by 18 upon 5. So 1 meter per second is equal 18 upon 5 kilometer per hour. Then 25 meter. This 25 meter per second is equal 18 upon 5 multiplied this 25. 5 1 ja 5, 5 5 ja 25. Then 18 5 ja 90 kilometer per hour. Now it is converted from meter per second into kilometer per hour. Next part. 150 meter per minute into kilometer per hour. Again 150 meter per 150 meter per minute means per 60 second into kilometer per hour. Now this 150 meter upon this 60 second, 0 0 cancel, 3 2 ja 6, 3 5 ja 15. It is 5.2 meter per second. When we divide this 5 by 2, we get 2.5 meter per second. Now we will convert this meter per second into kilometer per hour. So 1 meter per second is equal 18 upon 5 kilometer per hour. 2.5 meter per second is equal 18 upon 5 multiply this 2.5. Then remove this decimal from here, add 1 0. 25 1 ja 25, 25 2 ja 50, 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18. It is 9 1 ja 9 kilometer per hour. Now come to question number 2. Question number 2 is an athlete covers a distance of 96 meter in 12 seconds. What is his speed? B part. How much distance will he cover in 45 seconds? Find the time taken by him to cover a distance of 800 meter. See here. Again we read first line. An athlete covers a distance of 96 meter. This is the distance. It is 96 meter. And what is the time given? Time is given 12 seconds. C. Distance is equal 96 meter. Time is given 12 seconds. Then first part is what is his speed. So formula to calculate speed is equal distance upon time. Equal distance is equal 96 meter. Time is equal 12 seconds. 12 1 ja 12, 12 8 ja 96. So it is 8 meter per second. Its second part is how much distance will he cover in 45 seconds? In B part, time is given 45 seconds. So see here, B part. In B part, we have to find distance. Formula to calculate distance is equal speed multiply time. Then speed we have find out here 8 meter per second multiply time is given 45 seconds. This is S for second, not 5. Time is given this one 45. When we multiply this 45 by 8, we get 360. 8 5 is 40. Carry 4. 8 4 is 32. 32 plus 4, 36. Unit is meter. In C part, what is given? Find the time taken by him to cover a distance of 800 meter. Here distance is given and we have to find out time. So formula for time is equal distance upon speed. Distance is given 800 meter. Time is given, speed is 8 meter per second. We have find out here. So 800 meter upon 8 meter per second. 8 1 ja 8, 8 1 ja 8, 0 0. It is 100 second because unit of time is 100 second. Unit of time is second. Now when we convert this second into minute, 1 minute is equal 60 second. So if we take 60 second for 1 minute, then 40 second left. So time is 1 minute 40 second. Or we can say we will divide 100 second by 60. 60 1 ja 60. 40 remainder. So 1 minute 40 second. Now question number 3. A man covers a distance of 90 meter in 1 minute. What is his speed in kilometer per hour? In this question, see, distance is 90 meter and time is 1 minute. And we have to find its speed in kilometer per hour. So how we will do? See, distance is 90 meter. Time is 1 minute. 1 minute is equal 60 seconds. Now speed is equal distance upon time. Distance is given 90 meter. Time is given 60 seconds. 0 0 cancel. 3 3 ja 9. 3 2 ja 6. 3 upon 2 meter per second. This is the speed. Now we will convert it into kilometer per hour. And we know when we have to convert speed given in meter per second, we will multiply it by 18 upon 5. So 1 meter per second is equal 18 upon 5 kilometer per hour. So this 3 upon 2 meter per second is equal this 18 upon 5 multiply this 3 upon 2. 2 1 ja 2, 2 9 ja 18. Then 9 3 ja 27 upon 5. When we divide this 27 by this 5, we get 5.4. So speed is 5.4 kilometer per hour. Next question, question number 4. See in the book. Joe walks at the speed of 3 kilometer in 1 hour. How much distance will he walk in 4 minutes? Joe walks at the speed of 3 kilometer in 1 hour. It means speed is 3 kilometer per hour. 1 hour means per hour. And see, speed is given 3 kilometer per hour and time is given 4 minutes. Here, since speed is in kilometer per hour, time is hour. So we will convert this 4 minutes into hour. And we know 1 hour is equal 60 minutes. So we will divide this 4 minutes by 60 to convert into hour. 4 1 ja 4, 4 1 ja 4, 2 remainder, 20, 4 5 ja 20. It is 1 upon 15 hour. Students, when we have to convert hour into minute, then we will multiply by 60. But if we have to convert minute into hour, then we have to divide by 60. So it is 1 upon 15 hour. Now distance is equal speed multiplied by time. Speed is 3 kilometer per hour into time is 1 upon 15 hour. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15. 1 upon 5 kilometer. This is the distance. Now we will convert this 1/5 kilometer into meter. 1/5 into 1000 because 1 kilometer is equal 1000 meter. So 5 1 ja 5, 5 2 ja 10, 0 0. It is 200 1 ja 200. 200 meter. Students, today we will do up to here. Question number 4. Now 8 questions left. Okay. We will do one more question. Question number 5. Question number 5 is, a man is cycling at a speed of 9 km in 1 hour. Just like this one. So speed is 9 km per hour. How much time will he take to cycle a distance of 750 meter? See, speed is given 9 km per hour and distance is given 750 meter. So first we will convert this kilometer per hour speed into meter per second by multiplying 5 upon 18. 9 multiply 5 upon 18, 9 1 ja 9, 9 2 ja 18. Now it is unit which will change from kilometer per hour to meter per second. So 5 1 ja 5 upon 2 meter per second. When we divide this 5 by 2, we get 2.5 meter per second. Now time, we have to find time to cover a distance of 750 meter. So time is equal distance upon speed. Distance is 750. So see here, when we write 750 upon speed is 2.5. We will remove this decimal. After decimal here one digit, so we will add 1 0. It becomes 7500 upon 25. Now 25 1 25, 25 3 is 75, 0 0. It is 300 second time because we are using here speed in meter per second. So time, unit of time will be 300 second. Now we will change this second into minute. We will change this second into minute by dividing 60. 0 0 cancel, 6 1 ja 6, 6 5 ja 30. It is 5 minutes. So students, we will do only 5 questions today. Rest of the questions we will do in the next class. Okay students, thank you.